What is up, y'all? So today it's just gonna be a little day to work on stuff, and I got the motor for Bloodshot sitting in the shop, and I'm gonna work on it today and I'm gonna make a video, so stay tuned. Intake is on. Today we're putting the transmission on the motor, putting the motor in the car to make sure everything fits, and I think that's all we're gonna do, so stay tuned. Alright, so it's been a few minutes. We got the motor connected to the engine hoist, the chain on it, and now we lowered it in the car. One motor mount fit. Well, we had a bolt through one motor mount, but the other one won't fit quite line up, so we're trying to figure out that problem. Alright, so the motor's sitting in the car. We're getting ready to put the car up on the lift and see how the transmission's gonna fit. And are we gonna put the transmission on?
We might bolt the transmission up. I don't know how dirty that transmission is. I ain't know if that bag over there. We might have to clean it up or something first.
Yep, she's in. What is up, y'all? So today we're gonna be pulling the motor and transmission back out the car to put a new transmission we got that actually fits in the car with the drive shaft, hopefully, and then we're going to test fit it, make sure everything fits. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that like button, share, and subscribe. See you next time.